Okay, so after the pan was removed, that was really the only work, and it's actually child's play. Where I come from, that's a job for a 10-year-old child. Then I had to go out and buy this wrench set. This is 1/4 inch. This is a 5/16 right here, and it was easily removed with a brand new 6-point socket. I put a screwdriver into the U-joint to rotate the drive shaft, and the pin just fell out by itself. I had a little tap hammer and a screwdriver to tap it out with, but there was no need to. It fell out and it stopped me from turning, from rotating it. And so I just reached in there and pulled it out with my hand. Now, the C clip, there's nothing. I just pushed it with my finger, fell down to the bottom, and I just grabbed it with my finger and just pulled it out with my finger. So that's all that there is to it. You have to have 1/2 inch wrench to take those out, and a 5/16 to take that one out, and the rest of it just comes apart in your hand. Now, the axle I have glued here into a piece of PVC with spray foam, and we hope that it'll just come right out of there. Let's see what that is. Piece of cake now. Piece of cake. And so, unfortunately, the transaxle has run out of oil, and the bearing burned up, ate right through the axle, but it did not ovalize the housing, so we're good to put a new bearing in there. Where it broke off. Like this. So, the new one, kit with the bearing and the lug nuts and everything, and the seal, $87 on eBay.